Hey guys, it's Dan Sfera again from the Clinical Trials Guru. I lied in my last video. I said it's my last video of 2014. I got another question, so this is my last video of 2014 unless I get another one before midnight and can crank out another video. This one's about recruitment and how to recruit subjects, and I've done tons of videos on this topic, but I'll give you a Cliff Notes answer right here in 3 minutes or less, hopefully. So you've got traditional media, you've got online media, and you've got guerrilla tactics, as my audience member refers to it in the email. So traditional media, I do believe in it. I believe in all of these three, okay? Traditional media, I believe in radio ads, I believe in TV ads, I believe in newspaper and magazine ads. I just don't believe in paying rates that we were paying in 1999 because the audience attention is just not there. When there's a commercial on TV, everyone pulls out their iPhones or their iPads and starts looking at their phones instead of paying attention to the commercials, but the advertisers are still charging the same rates as they did in 1999 when most people were still paying attention. Same thing with newspapers. Very few people actually read the newspapers. A certain demographic of people do, but not as many to justify their rates. But I still use it. I still use those, and I still use radio, but I try to negotiate the rates way down, and there are tactics to do this. Watch my video, How to Recruit Clinical Trial Study Participants, or read my book on Kindle, How to Recruit Clinical Trial Participants for 99 cents. It talks about how to negotiate traditional media advertising rates way down. Now, online advertising, I'm a huge believer in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, for recruiting study participants. Just to give an example, there's someone out there, they just did an Instagram contest to build up their brand awareness, where they bought 2 tickets to Disneyland that they were going to give out. And what they did was they drove a whole bunch of awareness. They had a contest on Instagram, they had people tag them, tag 3 of their friends, and talk about their New Year's resolutions. Guess what? That $300 is $300 well spent. It may not directly translate into immediate study participants, but it definitely does help with the brand awareness, and it's only $300. You cannot buy TV or radio ads for that. You can barely buy newspaper ads for that. And as far as brand awareness, that worked a lot better. Now the last one's guerrilla tactics, handing out flyers, going to support groups. I'm a huge fan of all of that too. I think the more of that you can do, the better. I talk about that in my book, How to Recruit Clinical Trial Study Participants. So my answer to the 3 forms of recruitment, traditional, online, and guerrilla tactics is yes, yes, and yes. This is Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.